evening and welcome, viewers. Really sorry for missing the debate last night, but last week, viewers, I played a prank on the Pakistanis. While we all know that the ISI chief was operating out of a hotel called Serena in Kabul, where he was busy putting up a terrorist faction of the Taliban in charge, I cheekily told the Pakistanis on the debate that I not just knew the floor where the ISI was staying, but I said I actually knew what they were having for dinner. I did not think that the Pakistanis had gone so insanely rattled with our expose of their role in Kabul that they have spent the last 4 days, viewers, unbelievable. This is proof that the country has gone completely crazy. They spent the last 3 or 4 days along with their entire media, ISI, everything, discussing how could Ornob know which floor we were staying at? How could Republic know what the ISI has for dinner in that hotel? It's madness. It's madness. It's official insanity. After this insanity, I am now convinced that Pakistan as a society has lost its equilibrium. Honestly. Now, viewers, something else. Some Pakistan lovers in India also spent the weekend tweeting about my prank, about how I knew which floor the ISI chief was staying in. They were measuring the floors, number of floors. They went completely mad. They kept asking, how could I know what the ISI chief had for dinner? To these Pakistani lovers, I would say, and I won't embarrass you, you know who you are. Please don't blindly follow every trend that originates in Rawalpindi every single time, because you will end up making a complete fool of yourself if you go into a tizzy and a fit about a smart and witty prank. Come on now, grow up, Pakistan. Fact is, and now on a serious note, fact is, Pakistan and Pakistanis, listen to me. Of the 2 men you threw out of the new Taliban government, one is missing and one could possibly be dead. That's what you should be debating. Baradar is in the ISI and Haqqani captivity. That's what Dawn News and Geo News should be debating. Dawn News and Geo News, grow a spine. Don't be spineless. Just because Hamid Mir got attacked by the ISI, you lost all spine. You become completely invertebrate. Debate and discuss the fact that Baradar was forced at gunpoint to read a statement. And Akhundzada, the once #1 leader, spiritual leader, is nowhere to be seen. Come on, ISI. Come on, ISI. Call up Dawn, Geo, the news and all your outlets. Call them and tell them that please carry out a debate on why Akhundzada, the once #1 leader of the Taliban, is nowhere to be seen. He just goes missing. He evaporates. You don't even debate it. The ISI has no clue how to handle things anymore. The story that Republic broke with detailed sources, the one about violence in an internal Taliban meet, where they were throwing things at each other, where gunshots were fired, has been followed by the entire international media now. And the problem with Pakistan is that Pakistan is not even Pakistan anymore. You would think that a country couldn't fall lower than just being itself. But Pakistan has fallen one step lower. It is now the Taliban Pakistan. As a result of the Republic Network's coverage, ladies and gentlemen, as a result of our coverage, the world completely associates the Taliban with Pakistan and Pakistan with the Taliban. Nobody even wants to risk going to play cricket in Pakistan. The Kiwis don't, now the English won't. And that's why the subject of national debate in Pakistan is, guess what? The subject of national debate in Pakistan is Republic. Pakistan has so badly lost the plot. But you know what, Pakistan? You know what, Pakistan lovers? Keep debating Republic. As far as we are concerned, we haven't even got started yet exposing it.